Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using these platforms. Today, we're taking a look at two powerful tools for navigating the crypto space, Phantom and Coin98 wallet. Let's dive into what they offer and how they can enhance your crypto journey. Phantom, accessible at phantom.app, is more than just a wallet, it's a comprehensive platform for interacting with the Solana ecosystem. It allows users to securely store, send, and receive SOL and other Solana-based tokens. But it goes further, offering seamless integration with decentralized applications, dApps, built on Solana. This allows for a smoother and more user-friendly experience when interacting with DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and other decentralized services. Phantom's streamlined interface makes it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users alike. Its focus on security and ease of use makes it a standout option in the Solana ecosystem. Coin98 Wallet, available at coin98.com/wallet, offers a multi-chain experience, supporting a wide range of blockchains beyond just Solana. This versatility makes it an attractive option for users who interact with multiple crypto networks. Coin98 provides a secure and robust environment for managing a diverse portfolio of digital assets. It offers features similar to Phantom, such as storing, sending, and receiving cryptocurrencies. However, its multi-chain support is its key differentiator, allowing users to access a wider range of dApps and services across various blockchain ecosystems. It also provides a built-in dApp browser, making it easy to explore and interact with different decentralized platforms directly within the wallet interface. Coin98 Wallet's commitment to interoperability makes it a valuable tool for navigating the increasingly interconnected world of blockchain technology. Both Phantom and Coin98 Wallet provide essential tools for managing your crypto assets. While Phantom shines with its dedicated focus on the Solana ecosystem and its streamlined user experience, Coin98 offers broader cross-chain compatibility for users engaged with a wider range of blockchains. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your specific needs and the networks you primarily interact with. Whether you're a seasoned Solana enthusiast or a multi-chain explorer, both of these wallets offer compelling features and robust security. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for more information.